Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Far Away. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a hood scoop on the Mustang. So let me just start with it. Alright guys, I got the measurements offline as to where the hood scoop's supposed to be, and it's supposed to be 1.5 inches from the back to the back of the scoop, okay, and 29 3/4 from the back of the hood to the front. All right, and I already have it centered, so let's just mark it so that I can start. This is going to be welded on, so let's just mark it so that I can start grinding off this area so that the welds can be nice and perfect. All right, first of all, what I did, I just grinded all the area as to where this hood scoop was. Okay, I need to have a nice clean surface so that the welds can start sticking. I did that on the scoop also. There it is. I grinded it off. It's ready to go. Now I'm gonna put it back where it belongs, and I'm gonna start tack welding so that the hood scoop is in the right place and I can start welding everything up. There it is. Both areas have been cleaned, and it's ready to weld. I know that this piece is centered. I know the measurements are perfect, so let me just start tack welding so that this piece doesn't move anymore. Then I can start stitch welding. All right, let me start doing that. I'm almost done with the stitch welding. I still need a couple of spots more, well, a lot of spots more, but I'm gonna finish up this, and then I'm gonna come back, start grinding everything, and start laying some fiberglass. I'm gonna be laying some fiberglass first, then I'll be smoothing it out with the body filler. All right, so let me just finish this, and I'll bring you back once I'm gonna start applying the fiberglass. All right, I applied the first layer of fiberglass. This is the fiberglass that I'm using. It's a fiberglass resin jelly. It works real good. It's real strong, and I know I'm not gonna have any problems. So I'm using the inline sander with a 36 grit so that I can sand it down, smooth it down, so that I can start applying the body filler. All right, I'm just gonna apply one layer of the fiberglass. The rest of the layers are gonna be body filler. All right guys, let me continue on this and start smoothing everything out. I already applied 2 coats of body filler, and now I'm sanding it down with some blocks. I'm using 36 grit, and I'm going in a cross pattern motion to smooth everything out. This side's just there. It's almost there. Let me show you the other side so you can see how I'm sanding. And you saw how I was doing the cross pattern motion. That's the way you need to do it in order to sand the body filler. It'll give you a nice smooth finish. And if you need to add a little bit more of body filler, you just add more until the body filler is where it needs to be. All right, let me just continue and finish this side up. There it is. After block sanding everything came out nice and smooth. I fixed a couple of dents that the hood had, and that's it. We're good to go. Now, what I'm going to start doing, I'm going to start primering it. I'm going to be putting like 2 to 3 wet coats of primer, let it dry for about a week so that I can start block sanding. And that'll be it. That'll be it. I'll start block sanding. I'm going to show you that process. This is the primer I'm going to be using, and it's mixed 4 to 1. So it's 4 parts of the primer, 1 part of the hardener. It does not need reducer and or thinner. So it's just activator, hardener, and that's it. Let me start mixing it up and start shooting it. This is after 3 coats of primer. I was waiting 10 minutes in between coats, and that is it. Came out real nice. So now I'm just gonna let it set for about a week, maybe less, just for the primer to cure the way it's supposed to, and just start blocking it. Start blocking the primer. Right now it's about 99 degrees in here, so it's gonna cure real quick. Okay, so all right, and let me show you another thing. It's gonna be the new compressor. This is a 2-stage compressor. I had a 1-stage compressor. This is a 2-stage, so it's a lot more efficient for the body work. This is a Cobalt, and it's a 60-gallon compressor also. All right, and I got a couple of people to thank also. One of them is Ron Cape, Damien, Dodson, and Alex the painter. Those 3 people helped out also on the purchase of this compressor. I want to thank my wife also, that she had some money saved up that I did not know. So I want to thank her for saving up. She was saving up for all this craziness that's going on in the world. So she had some money saved up. So we managed to get this compressor. I got this compressor from Lowe's. So I'll give you a review, see how it performed. So far the primer performed good. So later on, a couple of months, I'll tell you how this compressor is doing, and give you a little update on it. All right, guys, this will be it for this video, guys. Next, it's going to be the block sanding and painting of the hood, also the doors, and go from there. Finish up the parts that I have here, so that before they can bring the car back. All right, guys, thank you very much. Again, guys, have a great weekend. Stay safe, and like always, God bless.